What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It's me, Mikey Pipes. Saturday night. It's cold, 7 degrees, but it feels like it's negative 20 with the wind chill. And it is the 7th day of February 2026, heading on an emergency service call. We have an existing residential client. The thermostat is dead. She's like, please make sure you come with a thermostat. I'm like, lady, I got you. Let's hopefully we can sign them for a maintenance plan. Let's go. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it is 8:49. Just pulled up in front of I just pulled in front of the client's location. That call came in at 8:07. That is service. Merry Christmas. Hi.
Hi, how you doing?
I'm good. I understand you have a dead thermostat.
Dead thermostat.
Okay.
I'm hoping that's it.
Okay. So the heat is not on right now, or is it?
No, I don't believe so.
Okay. Let's see the thermostat.
I'm hoping that's it.
Well, it gets a common wire, so that gets power.
I did check downstairs. I did check the.
I hear something running. What is that?
I think it's the air handler up in the attic.
Huh. How old are the batteries?
Old, because I didn't know they were there. But it's hardwired for now.
Well, yeah, but.
Oh shit.
Yeah, let's go see the boiler. That gives you heat.
Oh.
It's all good. Well, you did say you wanted it simple, right? I guess this light is for that room. So what's that noise? Okay, well here's that. You have a single heating zone?
Yeah. It was supposed to be multiple zones.
PEX.
I never noticed.
Okay.
And then.
All right. So we have a common wire there, so it should get voltage from RH or RC. G is fan, Y is cooling, W is heat. Really?
When I step in the house, I hear it. Tell me it's the batteries.
Well, that would be nice, right?
I thought that was hardwired though.
There is a hardwire connection there, but let's put that to heat and let's set the 72 and let's see what happens downstairs. All right, so that zone is now powered. This circulator is getting hot and our tankless boiler right here is producing hot water to circulate. Let's put the other side, which is this one, and that is cold to the touch. Let's wait for this to heat up. Woo! It's cold. 8 degrees. 9:21 in the morning. In the evening. Signed them up for not only the heating maintenance plan, but our air conditioning maintenance plan. It's a win-win for the client. We come twice a year. We do a full, no stone unturned approach to maintenance on the equipment. And nuisances like this get avoided because twice a year we change those batteries. When's the last time you change your batteries, folks? Thanks for watching. Smash that thumbs up button. I'm tongue-tied and it's cold. Catch you in the next one. Be well, God bless, stay safe.